Great investors, I am bringing you an update on this property. The latest update on Vopnu City Ocean View Estate. From the 1st of May 2024, that is next month, Ocean View will be selling for 45 million naira. Currently, it is selling for 30 million naira. But at the end of this month, the price will change. I have always said this thing, even when they have not started the coastal route. I said it that the moment they start constructing this coastal route, that this property will continue to jump up. I want to let you know that this Vopnu City Ocean View Estate, we started selling it at the price of 7 million naira in February 2021. From 7 million to 8.5 million naira. From 8.5 million to 9.5 million naira. From 9.5 million to 10 million. And from 10 million to 11.5 million. From that 11.5 million, it went to 14 million. From 14 million, the price keep on skyrocketing. And last year, November 1st, last year, the property then starts selling for 30 million naira. And now, this is 6 months after the price increase, another price increase. I said it that this property is just like Banana Island. Imagine the coastal route of 6 lanes that is going to pass in front of this estate. And at the back of it is the beach, the ocean view. This makes this property so lucrative. The location is perfect. The land title is perfect, which is governor's consent. So this is why I am bringing you this update, for you to take advantage of this price increase. With the initial deposit of 5 million naira, you spread the balance for 6 months, and it is going to be interest free. That is, if you are subscribing for 500 square meters, that is what you are going to get. So, and if you are subscribing for 300 square meters, it is going to be 18 million naira. With a deposit of 5 million, you spread the remaining balance for 6 months, and it will not attract any price, it will not attract any interest. So, ladies and gentlemen, take this opportunity and make your investment now. And at the end of the month, your property will add 50 million on top. I tell you, this property is going to be sold for 200 million naira in the next 2 years. So take advantage. The coastal route is passing through this estate in front, and the back is the beach. You can use it as a resort, buying 2 acres, 1 acre, and use it as a hotel or use it as a result. Ladies and gentlemen, great investors, this is the time for you to invest in this property. My name still remains Mr. Stephen, also known as Mr. Patmos. Call the number on the screen and I will help you secure plots of land in this very place. Call the number on the screen and I will book you for inspection. God bless you. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Like my videos, share my videos. Hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will alert you. Thank you very much and God bless you.